Welcome. If you want to activate OK Google feature of your Google Assistant on the VERNEE M5, at the first you have to enter for the Google application. Then we have to tap on the left upper corner, then go for the settings, and right now we have to tap on the settings of Google Assistant. Next we have to find devices and click on our phone. When you scroll down you can find OK Google detection, so let's click, and here we got this feature, say OK Google anytime. So just click and activate, then tap to get started. Right now we have to say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. So as you can see we have to say 3 times OK Google, and let's try. As you can see right now it is working. So yeah, that's how we can activate OK Google on your VERNEE M5. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!